in an insane world, I felt that you would just enjoy hearing some waves crash here in the Caribbean Sea. It's just peaceful. It's about 80 degrees, no humidity. The sun's out. All the decks are full of people. And there's still some very nice quiet spaces on every beach. This brighter 80-day realtor from here in Windsor, from somewhere in the Caribbean Sea. If you have any questions about Windsor real estate, it is a great time to be buying Windsor real estate. There are some great deals out there. There still are a lot of people that are holding on to the thought process that their house is worth X number of dollars, but it's just not truthful anymore. Prices have come down by about $25,000, and there's some great deals out there. If you need that help, then don't hesitate to give me a check. 519-995-6145. I'll be back soon.